For today's video, we will answer this geometry challenge coming from one of our followers. And the question goes like this. Given this rectangle with an area of 27 square centimeters and the height of x centimeters, and let's draw another rectangle with an area of 15 square centimeters with a base equal to 3 centimeters, another rectangle with an area of 20 square centimeters with a height of 4 centimeters, and another rectangle with an area of 8 square centimeters. Now, our goal in this question is to find the length of this segment, x. Now, pause the video right now and see if you can answer this geometry puzzle. And if you're done, post your answer in the comment section down below. Now, let's see if your answer is correct. So, our goal in this question is to figure out the length of this segment, x, represented as x. Now, what do we know first in this question? We know all of this is rectangle. If this is x, this side is x. The other side, or the opposite side, is also x, of course. And also, if the area is given by 15 square centimeters with a base of 3, therefore, the height of this rectangle is 5 centimeters. Now, this rectangle with an area of 20 square centimeters having a height of 4 centimeters. So, the base is just 5 centimeters also. And again, this is rectangle, so opposite side are equal. So, the other side, the upper part, is also 5 centimeters. Now, if this is x and the whole thing is 5, so this segment right over here is just 5 minus x. And now, let's recall the area of a rectangle must be equal to base times height. Now, we're given an area of 8 square centimeters. We have the height of 5 minus x. So, how do we get the base? So, this is just the area over the height, or simply the base or the length of this rectangle is just 8 over 5 minus x. Now at this point, we can now focus on this rectangle with an area of 27 square centimeters, because using the formula of an area, we know the area, which is 27, we know the base, which is 8 over 5 minus x plus 5, and we know the height is x. So we can now solve for the value of x in this equation. So now let's focus on this equation and let's figure out what is the value of x. First, let's combine 8 over 5 minus x plus 5. If we do that, we get 8 plus 25 minus 5x all over 5 minus x. Now 8 plus 25, this will give us 33. Then copy negative 5x, then bring down the rest. And then multiply the right-hand side with the variable x. So this will give us 33x minus 5x squared all over 5 minus x. And what we're going to do is to cross-multiply. So multiply both sides by 5 minus x. So we have 27 multiplied by 5 minus x equals 33x minus 5x squared. Now let's focus on this result. Now distribute this 27 to 5 minus x. So this will give us 135 minus 27x. And then, let's subtract 33x on both sides. So we have negative 60x. And what we're going to do is to equate this to 0. So let's make negative 5x squared be a positive term. So we have 5x squared minus 60x plus 135 equals to 0. Now, notice 5, 60, and 135 are all a multiple of 5. So, we can divide all of this term by 5. If we do that, we get x squared minus 12x plus 27. And this quadratic equation, we can easily factor this out as x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 9. And from here, we can now find the values of x. X can be 3 or x can be 9. Now, the question, which of these values is correct? Now, let's go back to our figure. Take a look at this expression 5 minus x. If x equals 9, 5 minus x is negative 4. Now, since it is a side length, so we cannot have a negative value for 5 minus x. Therefore, x equals 9 cannot be the value of x. Therefore, the only value of x that satisfies this condition is x equals 3. And that is our answer to this question. Therefore, given this figure, then the value of this segment x is just 3 centimeters. And as always, we are done.